Oh, it doesn't go to Kankakee, St. Louis or St. Paul, and it never reaches the Wabash at all. But it's a nice little train. It's the last one of its name, and they call it the Montauk Cannonball. Cannonball, Cannonball. It's the last one of its name. It's the Montauk Cannonball. From the towers of the city to Montauk's sandy shore, it's the fastest, easiest way of all. No traffic jams to go through, no traffic lights to stop. It's when you take the Montauk Cannonball. Cannonball, Cannonball. No traffic lights to stop at when you take the Cannonball. Its crew is nice and spiffy. They're ready to go. They'll give the highball when they know. Only one little stop before it reaches. Oh, forget about that. I'm not sure about the third verse yet, but we'll leave it at that.